You don't know. Bad man. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
You missed me!
To anyone that can get a good grip when braiding someone's hair and they're all the same size, please pat yourself on the back because you guys are the real GOAT. Just in case there's no lady.
Mommy, let me taste it to tell you.
Oh,
Mother.
precious stuff, man. Keep it on the fresh chocolate.
I never shake it.
Listen, man.
Mom! Mom! Mommy! 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 Mama! 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 Ma! 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 Mom! 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 Mommy! Mommy! Mama! 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 What? Hi.
She's like you so much lucky.
I need a vacation.
Can you show you could put the mitt on? Nisha, I'm gonna take my slippers from y'all because y'all really annoying.
Help me! Help me!
Sorry.
I'm not ready. Listen up.
Hey, Nisha.
What?
I feel the heat is.
Mommy, that's just the heat.
What? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
It's too much in my style. How far you put the water?
Sorry, put your head back. Put your head back so I can see now. Sorry. Pull the towel. Sorry.
Nisha,
Sorry.
you keep saying sorry, but you ain't stopping.
Okay, last sound. Okay, I'm done.
Nisha. Sorry, because you put in my hair.
Wait, sorry. Wait, let me go again.
But what?
No, the towel. I'm not trying to hurt you. Oh, Pupa, yeah.
I'm telling you.
No. What you do? No, like, you know, and it'd be like, okay, put it on your shoulders. Mommy, what you doing? What are you doing? You have to be sassy with it. Now flip it like this. Go. That was not attractive. You failed. That's it. You